Hi lovely viewers, it's me again, your one and only Mtati Mpundu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great content every week. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you lovely viewers. Edgar Lungu is very sick and not fit to campaign, which is normal. It's not a bad thing to be sick, because everyone can be sick except the dawn of power. So because he's not able to campaign, ECZ wanted to use COVID to prevent other contenders from campaigning the way it happened in Uganda. But as it is now, ECZ and the police have failed to stop the campaigns. Edgar Lungu will be forced to go and campaign because of what is happening on the ground for HH, and it will not end well. Let those close to Edgar advise him to rest. There is more beautiful life ahead after being a president. Hashtag Sia1.
I want to make an appeal to President Kenneth Kaunda, President Rupia Banda. I want to encourage them to call Edgar Lungu and sit him down and teach him how to accept defeat after election. Sia1 don't joke. Sia1 don't have time for joke. I don't know how to joke. When I tell you this is how it is. I want them to sit him down. And what Edgar Lungu is losing it. Edgar Lungu is losing his senses. He's losing it. I want to call on the father. Those of you that are watching me, you are from some NGOs, you are from some political party. Please, I want you to go and visit Dr. Kenneth Kaunda. Visit President Rupia Banda. Tell them to sit Edgar Lungu down and teach him how to accept defeat and live a proper life without being in power. Because Edgar Lungu is now losing it. Edgar Lungu is no longer himself. Everything is wrong now as I'm talking to you. Edgar Lungu is failing to realize that there is life after being president. In fact, there is more better life after being a president. That's why I'm saying, those of you that are watching me, there is almost 6,000 people going to 7,000 people that are tuned in today. Please, if you are close to Kenneth Kaunda or Rupia Banda, tell them to sit Edgar Lungu down. Edgar Lungu is about to throw Zambia into turmoil, into unnecessary war because of power. Tell him to go and seek for counsel from these people. There is life after being a president. When you are rejected, you are rejected. Edgar Lungu has already lost this election, but is using intimidation. Yes. Edgar, have you heard about this parable that says you can only force a horse to the river, but you can never force a horse to drink the water? He has lost already. Even his people have told him. Security wings, everyone have told him. They have told him to say, sir, including the witch doctor that PF people visited in Malawi. Everyone have told them to say, sir, it's over. But he's trying to use intimidation. Intimidation cannot work. Even if you intimidate the whole, your intimidation is going to end very soon. That's why I'm saying, Kenneth Kaunda, Rupia Banda, please sit Edgar Lungu down. He's still your son. He's still a baby to you. Sit him down and tell him, look, there is life after being a president. Because Edgar Lungu is so desperate, and his desperation is about to bring chaos in Zambia. And when this chaos starts, Edgar Lungu will try to run, but he will not run. PF people will try to run, but they will not run. Lusambo will try to run, but they will not run. Listen, there are only few members of PF, Patriotic Front. There are only few members of military, 90% of them are against Edgar Lungu. I want you to go back to the election that was held in 2016. In case Edgar Lungu think that he has support of the military. Police is not in support of Edgar Lungu, except those other top bosses that are eating with him. Original police, those people that will go on the street, they are not in support of Edgar Lungu. He has lost support everywhere, including ZAF. But he's not realizing this, and because of this, he wants to use desperation. You don't win election with desperation. Election is brain. Election is power. There is no brain remaining in PF. Which brain is there in PF? Mumbipiri. There is nothing inside the brain. Bowman Lusambo. There is nothing inside the brain. Which one am I going to talk about? How about the one that was asking for COVID salary? There is nothing. There is no brain remaining in PF. The brain that can win election, they are finished. Are you talking about GBN? What does GBN know? You know, the thing is that people don't know. People of Zambia forget easily. GBM stood, the daughter of GBM stood under UPND in Kasama, and they lost terribly to Kevin Sampa. GBM is nothing. You know, there is nothing in the brain. You know, there is no brain again in PF. Even if you see them talking, you will know that these guys, there is nothing left. Edgar Lungu can see that he has lost the election and he has become so desperate. That's why I am saying, Kenneth Kaunda, I am begging you tonight. I know that you are going to watch this broadcast. But the reason why I'm saying this, I want to beg you. Anyone that knows Kenneth Kaunda, anyone that knows Rupia Banda, let them sit Edgar Lungu down. Edgar Lungu is busy with Roman Catholic, fighting Roman Catholic. That one is a non-starter. That one is a no-go area. He's busy with them. You know, when Roman Catholic tells you that it's over, if you are wise, step down. Even if you don't believe CR1, believe Roman Catholic. If they tell you that it's over, step down. All these things are happening, but Edgar Lungu has closed his ears. It doesn't listen to reasonable people. It's listening to somebody like Bowman Lusambo, an idiot that goes on the street and starts distributing money thinking that he's campaigning. Is that campaign? Is that a strategy? There is no one that is giving him good advice. And they are telling him that he's very popular. And because of that, Edgar Lungu wants to cause chaos in Zambia. Edgar Lungu is campaigning in the midst of Corona. The whole country all over the world is shaking because of Corona. All over the world is shaking because of Corona. Edgar Lungu is campaigning. Even if you want to campaign, you want to be like Donald Trump, allow your opponent to also campaign. So that the more COVID is increasing from PF, it will also increase from UPND. Let there be a fair play. Let there be a fair ground. You know, let there be a fair ground. Let the play be free and fair. He's afraid, you know. Edgar Lungu is afraid. He don't have peace. Just look at his body system. Look at the way he's talking when he's talking. Just see that he has lost confidence. He's no longer himself. And because he's no longer himself, he's going to make a lot of decisions that is going to throw Zambia into war if care is not taken. That's why I'm saying, fathers of the nation, even those of you men and women of God that claim that Edgar Lungu listen to you, call him and tell him to say, look, there is life after being a president. You can never be a president forever. When your time is up, your time is up. Tell them that his time is up. Tell him your time is up. Prepare yourself not to cause war. There is only one Zambia in Africa. One Zambia in Africa. There is only one Zambia in Africa. There are not two. If you destroy Zambia, where are you going to go? You can see what has happened in the few past week, whereby PF Kada and the UPND Kada are clashing. They are fighting themselves. They want to start killing themselves. They are breaking their head. You are bringing so much chaos that has never happened in the history of Zambia. Why?
Alright, that's all for you today, lovely viewers. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about the video you just watched in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you, lovely viewers. Once again, I go by the name of Mtati Mpundu. I love you, peace, I gotta go.